With Steven Adams, as we take a look at the Laker bench and AD and Boogie and LBJ, all of a sudden Adams is near the top 10 in rebounding.
But that fan in the front row.
All the way, he gets fouled as he's hit hard to the deck.
Oh! There's the foul.
Gee.
Offensive foul.
Lakers have opened up an 88.
Here, they have 25 made threes.
James has got the last 11 points. Is there anything the King can't do or won't do? Let's give this woman the moment of a lifetime. Are you all right, young lady? Give her a hug, pat her. Not only am I fine, folks, this is the